During Cardi B's performance at Rolling Loud Music Festival in LA over the weekend, Offset went on stage and begged her to take him back. Based on her body language, Cardi B did not seem very impressed by this grand gesture. So is Cardi B gonna take back Offset? I don't know, but you're watching I.O. What is happening, friends? This is InformOverload, where we talk about what's trending on the internet. I'm Charlotte. Like, sub, turn on those notifications, and tell me if you like my haircut in the comments down below. And if you don't, just don't say anything, because it'll make me sad. Social media was shocked when Cardi B announced in a now deleted Instagram post that she and Offset were over earlier this month. Offset and Cardi have been married for a little over a year, and they share a child together, Culture. This announcement was definitely out of left field, because just a few days before, they were seen in public looking like they were completely in love. From the outside, their relationship looked like a fairy tale. Offset bought Cardi a $500,000 engagement ring. Cardi would constantly sing his praises on social media, thanking God for her man, while at the same time Offset would rarely post about Cardi. No one knows exactly why the relationship ended, but there were rumors floating around that Offset cheated on Cardi B. Since then, Offset clearly wanted her back because he was tweeting about how much he missed his wife. Fans had some pretty polarizing reactions to the split. Some thought that Cardi should have stuck by her vows and forgiven him, and others were completely against them getting back together. And then on Sunday, December 16th at Rolling Loud Music Festival in LA, Offset came on stage in front of thousands of people with flowers and a cake that said, "Take me back, Cardi." He said, "I just want to tell you I'm sorry, bruh," in person in front of the whole world. I'm sorry, the bruh was just it was a bit much for me. Just a bit. Bruh? I don't take you seriously, Offset. Judging by her body language and the reaction to the grand gesture, Cardi did not seem impressed. They briefly spoke on stage, but then Cardi left and his gifts were taken away. Fans at the festival booed and screamed, "Once a cheater, always a cheater." According to Manuel Ferrer, who was in attendance at the festival, Offset's entrance took the crowd by surprise. He said you could see that she had no idea and she was very bothered by the public display. But as soon as they cleared the stage, she came back stronger and delivered a fantastic performance. She handled everything very gracefully. Honestly guys, I don't know how I feel about Offset interrupting Cardi's performance like this. I think Twitter user Demetria L. Lucas said it best. Offset disrupting Cardi's performance is like your ex turning up at your job in the middle of a meeting. This is not acceptable or cute or romantic. It's creepy and unstable. So here's kind of where I'm going with this. Cardi was the first woman in history to headline Rolling Loud Music Festival, which is the world's largest hip-hop music festival. That's saying a lot considering Nicki Minaj has been around for quite some time. This was a milestone for Cardi. It was probably one of the most important moments of her career. And rather than people talking about how awesome her performance was, everyone is now talking about Offset's declaration of love. Most have called this declaration borderline harassment. What I want to know is, how was Offset even allowed on stage at this festival during Cardi's performance? Reps for Rolling Loud Music Festival said that the headliners and their teams have full control over the stage and who is allowed on it during their set at Rolling Loud. The festival does not interfere with or influence a headliner's set list. They have never and will never do anything to change a headliner's set. So I'm not really sure what that means, guys. Maybe the whole thing was a publicity stunt and Cardi knew about it from the beginning, but her reaction seemed pretty genuine. So we don't really know too much about what Cardi B is gonna do next, but she did post a video on her Instagram page after the concert where she told her fans to stop hating on Offset because it doesn't make her feel any better. She thanked her fans for supporting her, but she didn't want her fans to violate Offset because he's, quote, still family. She also said that she can't predict the future. In a second video, Cardi said that she's not saying that defending Offset means that she's going to get back together with him, but she also didn't say that she wasn't going to get back together with him either. So who knows, maybe this is an indication that she's going to try and work things out with him? I'm not sure. Do you guys think Cardi should take Offset back? Let me know in those comments. For now, I'm going to respond to some comments from our video. TikTok has a huge problem no one is talking about. Tapwater said there should be a whole video of Charlotte doing the comment dance. Just put it on a loop. Abudi said, we have to agree that Charlotte is the best host. Love her, queen of InformOverload. Thank you very much. Johnny can't hear me right now, but hey Johnny, I'm better than you. Sammy Lucky said, I literally watched a TikTok ad before this video. Didn't skip because I want you guys to get paid. Love you so much. Honestly, this comment made my day, even though it probably put less than 1/4 of a cent in my pocket, but I really appreciate it, thank you. Pan said, I don't like your lipstick. Well, it doesn't like you very much either, Pan. 3X official said, hello, I'm not getting put in the video. Nope. Definitely not. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for spending a few of your valuable moments with us. If you want to keep watching I.O., we put together a playlist for you that's right over here. And obviously, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so I can see you in the next I.O. video.